right off to the side. Here it is, 3-minute Google chart. Welcome to www.stockmarketfunding.com. And as we've taken these rollovers, and bam, those are great short sells that big traders in, buying the 490 put that we talked about and ratcheting down. Now what we're going to do, that we have the 490 put option up here, that means the 490 put's going in big value. And what we're going to do here is that these calls, the 480 call was already up here, and I'm buying wholesale and I'm coming in. 1,600 contracts traded. Welcome again, www.stockmarketfunding.com, using the SMF market maker pricing platform. And our platform allows us to make these wonderful entries where on the option up here at 1559, we are already going to buy some 830 by an 860. All right, Brian Plain, give me an 840 bid. Give me an 840 bid. Line that 840 and see if they, yep. If they follow you on the 840, go ahead. You're not in there. I don't see it. I see 830 by 850. We had to get a trader done. We had a bid. We got a bid. We got a bid. We got an 850 bid off of 15. That's 7 handles lower. I'm going to be buying up at least 30, 40, 50 contracts. Go ahead. 860. I got an 860. I got an 860. Bap him. Walk that dog up to 870 and make him come off. Walk that dog. Make him walk it and then come off and let them all pay retail. Work that bid nest. 30 pennies wide. There it is. 575. 70 by 9. 30 pennies wide. We're in that trade down here off that low. There it is, folks. We're buying the $480 call. Remember, we're short the 490 put. So the put option made us all that money down there. And now we're buying the glory against that ratio. And we're going to let the markets figure out what they want to do using the SMF superior ratio balanced entries relative to both sides of the market. So we got that side of the market down. Now we're going long. We already got a bid. We already got in. We're going to 480 call. Remember, the 490 put is already paying us a big amount of money. And we're buying that 480 down at the bottom. We're wholesale here. Retail was there. We got both sides of the market wholesale. There was a time that we slid that bid when we showed you in last week's videos. They got the 510 puts we're holding. Now the 490s are working, and we're buying the call here at the bottom against that big position. You got a bid. I got a bid. I got an 880. I got a 910. I got an 880. I got a 9. 880 and a 9. Look at that. Bid's going higher. We already put a market in. 1550. 1559. 850. Nope. That's a wolf ticket. See if they slip that bid. See if they gotta go away. Here it is. We own that 490 put, and we bought it a couple of days ago at the wholesale price. But now we're going to buy this at wholesale against that. We're making lots of money. That gives us the opportunity to buy this side of the trade, because this would keep going higher and we would make more money. We're not losing nothing over here because we got the right side first, and the second side is a wholesale call off the bottom at this wholesale range, just like we did over here at that 490 put. That 490 put's paying big money. We got that live action over here is when we talked about buying that on 64, 67, 68, 69. This is where we were buying that 490 put when we were telling people to do Google. Prior to that date, a couple of days back, we were doing the 510 put. And you can go fetch those videos and find them on stockmarketfunding.com. So basically, this one here is paying very nicely to the upside. And so you can see where that this is the 490 put, and we're buying your Christmas dinner with the 480 call. And the reason why, because we're getting this wholesale, that's retail. We got this one over here, and the thing about it is we've let that go, And we've had a couple of, this is today's range, and you can see that 490 put right up here. That's this chart. Tells you right here, June 10th, 490 put. Google. There it is. Our entries, there they are. Buying this side of the market now against that side. Stay tuned. Anyway, we got a 476.73 bid on Google right now. Remember, the 60-minute chart here is the 490 put. And when you're on that side, when Google goes down, this goes up in value. And you can buy this wholesale value against that great value. So that way here, if Google breaks higher intraday, we lose some value over here. It wouldn't matter because we're buying already wholesale down here. And we can't really lose any money because we're already making enough on this side. So now we can start buying in wholesale. That's how the SMF market maker school works. Not only that, in the risk management ratio is that you're trading the firm's capital, so therefore you have to have the right tools. And there's that wholesale bid. There's that 490 put. We're buying that call down here. Retail 1559, wholesale SMF, wholesale 8.5. We're down there, right there at that bottom range. They closed at 13.70. Spread that out at that wholesale bid. That's a wholesale market down here. That's an SMF market in the options on this one here. There's that. There's this one up here. Once again, let's make sure that people understand. 60-minute put chart, 490 put right here. There's the 490 put box. There's the print. Just made a high moments ago at $18.10. Swing low of the contract, 10.89. Print 17.45.90. 58 pennies wide between the bid and the ask. Here we go. Right now we got an 878.90 on that call. So when this goes down in value, this goes up. And we're buying wholesale against our wonderful profit here. Stay tuned. www.stockmarketfunny.com